You can also go around and give it contents and then rearrange out the contents as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, in the next message, I am going to send a list of topics for an online course on Microsoft Edge. Make sure to divide the contents into sections right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and press enter, and I mentioned in the next message I'm going to go around and do that. I'm going to send a list of topics for an online course on Microsoft Edge. Make sure to divide the contents into sections. And now it says absolutely I'll be ready to organize the topics. So now I'm going to go around and take the topics that I have right here and then paste it out right here, just like this. So this is the topics without any sections. That's a list of topics. I'm going to go around and click on submit right here, just like this. And now what happens is that now it says here is how you can structure your online course, and that is what it does, as you can see right here. So now you can rearrange the existing content right here, just like this. So it has the first section, getting started. Then you got personalization and account management, tabs and windows management, customizing search and home page, and so forth right here. And then it divides out all of the sections right here, just like this. So now you got section 9 around over here, just like this as well. And then you got section 10 right here, just like this. The section 11. And then let's just go around and wait. There's section 12 right here, just like this, and there's section 13. So you can see that it went around and divided out all for me right here, just like this. So this is what you have. Then you got section 16 right over here as well, just like this. So there's a lot of sections right here, just like this. So it seems like it went around and analyzed out the course really well right here, just like this. And this is what you have. So it divided into section 18. So let's just go around and see for each rename. Now rename each topic in a creative way. So let's just go around and do that as well. Rename its topic in a creative way right here. Then it does that over here as well. So you can see that that is what you have. So now it says certainly there's a creatively named topic for Microsoft Edge online course. So here you can see that now it says in interface exploration, navigate the Edge, web wonders, access sites. So it is set savvy, master the search quest, and so forth. So it does everything for it does it for each of the titles, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and rearrange the existing content as you like, and then divide it into sections right here as well. You can also further tell it to divide it in and make tables out of it, or add in contents for this and so forth, and rearrange the content as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.